Hi, welcome to our Let's Speak. I'm Yesha. Here are 10 general knowledge questions with each clear explanations, example, and the final answer. Let's begin. Our question number one. What do we call the point when the Earth is farthest from the Sun? Here are our choices. Letter A, perihelion, B, aphelion, C, perigee, D, apogee. You have 5 seconds to lock in your answers. Ayan, explain na natin kung ano nga ba ang perihelion. It means the Earth is closest to the Sun. Ayun po ba ang ating question? And ano ba ang aphelion? This is the point when Earth is farthest from the Sun. Ayun ba yung answer? Ayan. Pero tignan muna natin or alamin natin ang letter C and D. Ano ba ang perigee and apogee? It refers to the moon's orbit. For our final answer is the aphelion. And this is happening around July 4 each year. Dako naman tayo sa number 2. When the moon is farthest from the earth, what do we call this point? Ito po ulit ang ating mga choices. Letter A, perihelion, B, aphelion, C, perigee, D, apogee. Ayun, di ba? Sa question number 1, nasabi na din natin. Meron kayong 5 seconds to lock in your answer. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, meron na kayong mga answers. Na-explain na natin kung ano ba yung A and B. Dito na tayo magkakatalo sa C and D. Perigee means the moon is closest. That's mean when we see it as a supermoon. Pag nakikita natin na sobrang laki ng parang vision natin sa moon, ito ay tinatawag na supermoon. Pero during apogee, the moon looks smaller. And we call this a micromoon. And nakikita natin na maliit ang moon mula sa Earth. For our question, ang final answer ay letter B, apogee. Ayan naman, for our question number 3. Which place is known as the salad bowl of the Philippines? Choices: A, Baguio City, B, Benguet, C, Ilocos Sur or Ilocos Sur, D, Pampanga. You have 5 seconds to lock in your answer. Ayan. Analyze niyo po ang question. Ano po ba dito ang salad bowl of the Philippines? Ayan, thank you so much. Explain natin, no, isa-isa. For the Baguio City, it is kilala ito sa bansag na summer capital of the Philippines. While in Pampanga, it is the culinary capital of the Philippines. For our Ilocos Sur, it is famous for vegan or the heritage site of the Philippines. But Benguet produces massive amount of vegetables like lettuce, cabbage, broccoli, making it the country's salad bowl. For our question, our answer is letter B, Benguet. Ayan, marami na nakakatama, no? For our question number 4, which is known as the Heritage Village of the Philippines? Ayan, parang nasabi ko na din kanina. You have 5 seconds to lock in your answer. For our choices, A, Baguio City, B, Benguet, C, Ilocos Sur, D, Pampanga. Ano kaya sa mga ito yung nasabi ko kanina? Ayan, thank you for your answers. Paliwanag natin. Baguio and Benguet are in the highlands, while Pampanga is known for cuisine. But Ilocos Sur, particularly Vigan, is a UNESCO site filled with Spanish-era houses and cobblestone streets. So for our question number 4, the final answer is letter C, Ilocos Sur. Ayan, question number 5. Which literary work is the longest ever written? Alam niyo ba yan sa mga literary subjects natin dati? Nung elementary hanggang high school, ngayong college. Ano nga ba ang pinaka-longest ever written? Ayan ang ating mga choices. Letter A, Ramayana. B, Rigveda. C, Mahabharata. D, Upanishad. You have 5 seconds to lock in your answers. Ayan, nakikita ko na alam ninyo or natatandaan ninyo yung mga literary works na napag-aralan ninyo. Yung college, high school. So, the Mahabharata is the longest epic in the world, around 1.8 million words. The others are the important Hindu texts, but not as extensive, like the Upanishad, Rigveda, Ramayana. So for number 5, our final answer is letter C, Mahabharata. For our question number 6, who is the national artist that came from Angono, the art capital of the Philippines? Sino kaya sa mga choices na ito? Letter A, Castrillo. Letter B, Amorsolo. Letter C, San Pedro. Letter D, Nick Joaquin. Sino po ba ang ating national artist in the Philippines? Nagaling sa Angono, Rizal. You have 5 seconds. Karen? Ayan, thank you po sa mga nagsasagot. The correct answer is Lucio San Pedro, our national artist for music, famous for the song Sa Ugoy ng Duyan. For number 7, nangangalahati na tayo. Historian says civilization was first born in which region? Ano kaya ito? Choices. Letter A, China. Letter B, Middle East. Letter C, Egypt. Letter D, Jordan. You have 5 seconds to lock in your answer. Natatandaan niyo pa ba kung saan nanggaling ang unang sibilisasyon? For China and Egypt, ito ay kilala sa ancient civilizations. But the earliest is Mesopotamia in the Middle East, also known as the cradle of civilization. So our final answer is letter B, Middle East. Ayan, for our question number 8. Which religion is considered the oldest religion? We have choices. Letter A, Buddhism. Letter B, Christianity. Letter C, Hinduism. And letter D, Islam. You have 5 seconds to lock in your answer. Ayan, thank you po sa inyong pagsasagot. The oldest religion is Hinduism, dating back around 3000 to 4000 BCE. And the Buddhism, Christianity, and Islam came much later. Ito na yung mga kasunudan ng Hinduism. So, ayan, second to the last na para sa aking discussion. What poem became popular during the Japanese period in the Philippines? Here are the choices. A. Haiku. B. Tanka. C. Mansubashu. D. Melvin Boraco. Ano po ba ang naging famous noong Japanese period? You have 5 seconds to lock in your answer. 3, 2, 1. Ayan. Alamin natin kung ano ba yung mga poem na ito. Haiku follows the 5-7-5 pattern, while the tanka followed or has 5-7-5-7-7. Ang Matsubashu is a poet, not a poem type. And Melvin Boraco is not related to this. So our final answer is the haiku because madali siyang gawan dahil 5-7-5 and may sinusunod siyang pattern. Yan, thank you. For our last question, what was used by the government to stay in power during 1971 to 2003? Choices: letter A, commercials, letter B, media, letter C, industries, letter D, cooperatives. You have 5 seconds to answer. Yan, thank you. 3, 2, 1. From martial law onward, the government exercised strict, should I say, strict control over media, television, radio, newspapers to influence public opinion and maintain authority. So dahil doon, ang ating answer ay letter D. Ayan, mahusay. Nasagot natin yung 10 general question na ibinigay ko. Thank you sa pagsama sa amin sa aming Let Review. So, meron pang susunod, makinig at sagutin ang mga susunod na mga tanong.